I'm using this track saw to cut this piece of plywood. It's already cut at 20 inches wide and it's going to be 30 inches long. I've set the depth to about 5/8 of an inch and I've already marked this out. So I'm just going to put my track down and then cut this with the saw. Check that measurement. It's a 1/16 off. I can live with that. Setting the track down on the line. So I have two pieces of 5/8 plywood now, cut at 20 inches by 30 inches. I'm going to cut some strips to go on here, and then we're going to fasten some wheels. And then we'll have our cart, 2 new carts. I've marked and I'm going to pre-drill all of these. So I can use, it's made holes here in the next board. So I can use that as a template for the next one. And I can continue on. I've cut these boards at 3.5 inches by 30 inches. One's going to go on one side of the board and the other's going to be on the other side of the board. And then I'm going to fasten the dolly wheels here and here. And that's going to make a good base for the dolly and give the base some extra strength. Just a little bit of glue because it's my favorite. I'm using 1-inch wood screws here. If I use anything larger, I just worry about the point of the screw coming through the other side. I've just cut these pieces. I've marked them out. I'm going to pre-drill them and then I'm going to fasten them in here. So this makes a nice square inside these dolly bases. So there's one base down. This is 3.5-inch plywood all the way around. It's glued and screwed. And then this is going to be the top. I have a round over bit in this router. And I'm just going to go around all the edges to smooth them over so that it lessens the chance of getting a sliver. So I picked up these wheels. They come in a package of 4, and I got 2 packages, one for each cart. I've marked back a little bit using this block. Put a line so I know where to locate the corner of these casters, and then I'm just marking where the holes are going to go, so I can pre-drill. Hi everyone. So I've got these carts made up now. These are 20 inches wide by 30 inches long, and I've got 2-inch casters on here. One side has the locking. This is the other one. They're both the same. I used a round over bit with my router just to do all the edges. That's so that if I go to grab it, there's less chance of getting a sliver. So next we're going to make the stands now for the cart.